Eithne, a figure of prophecy and fate, plays a crucial role in Irish mythology. How well do you know her story? Who was Eithne's father? Eithne was the mother of whom? What was done to Eithne to prevent a prophecy? Which group did Eithne's family belong to? Who was responsible for Eithne's child surviving? What was Balor trying to prevent by imprisoning Eithne? What was Eithne's fate after Lugh's birth? Who raised Eithne's son? What was Balor's most feared weapon? Who was Lugh's father? What prophecy led Balor to imprison Eithne? What other name is Eithne known by? What ultimately happened to Balor? Which battle fulfilled Balor's prophecy? How did Cian reach Eithne? Who aided Cian in reaching Eithne? The tale of Eithne reminds us that even those in the shadows shape the fate of heroes. How did you score? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more mythological stories and quizzes from Broken Sword Gaming.